Hey guys, welcome back. Our hard work has really paid off. It's time to get our butts out of this boatyard and back to doing what we really love. We're making rum punch, coconut rum drinks.
We made it!
I don't know how, but we made it.
Let's go! Hello, amigos.
Good morning. We are freaking exhausted.
Yeah, we put in some serious hours the last couple of days.
Yeah.
We got a serious amount of stuff done. So we have the whole bottom prepped and primed now. Today's basically just a painting day.
Yeah, painting and polishing. So we're going to do painting and waxing.
Yeah.
Our boat is a little bit blue and dirty, so it needs a good wash, but we're going to wait until we're done with all of our work before we wash it. But check out some of the stuff we got done yesterday.
Yeah, look at this. So we put in a new cutlass bearing, and that proved to be a real challenge, but we're all cleaned up and fresh here.
How gorgeous the prop came out.
Yeah, it looks good.
So much nicer. So we're going to paint that up with
Trilux 33.
Trilux 33. It's a hard anti-foul paint, so it should be good to keep the growth off of it because it was horrible last time. So we're trying that. Josh got the primer on everything already, like he had said, and we're set. And we got our chain painted. So we're all marked and painted, ready to put some colored zip ties on it so we know which lengths are which. Our bridle has been soaking for 2 days in water with Downy in it, so it's going to be soft and smell pretty and all the grossness is gone. And Josh got the anchor locker completely finished yesterday, which was no easy feat. That's a small space, and he was in and out of there about 1 billion times yesterday, covered from head to toe in white paint, trying to get it all done. But it looks beautiful, and it's all hardening up gorgeous right now, so I think that we've solved whatever issue that may come in the future of water going through that wall. We're rock and roll and ready to go.
We're gonna go get a quick bite to eat in town, get some ice for our condiments that we're keeping in the shower. and then it's go time when we come back, paint and polish.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Let's do it. More later.
That's
Bye,
the
guys.
update. See ya.
Break time. One of the local restaurants pops around every day with takeaway lunches. It's a nice treat and a great reminder that we need to take a minute. Are you almost done yet? God, that looks gorgeous, babe.
Sandy, hey?
So pretty.
Yeah, I just got this little chunk left. That's it.
Now you're done. Exhausted?
Oh, I'm done.
Yeah, it's been a day.
It's been a day.
We did it though.
I did. You painted an entire... You sanded and painted the whole boat. Good job.
Thank you. You did a whole lot of shit too.
You're looking at the sky.
I'm sorry.
She's an animal.
You're an
She's
animal.
tired. She can't even hold that up. Look at your forearms.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Gross. Look at my forearms. Yuck. Copper. It's not good for the skin.
No.
All right, let's get this last little bit done and call it a day, my friends. We're exhausted. We got some touch-ups to do tomorrow, but other than that, we're finished for the day. So we are on the last day of Boatyard fun. The bottom is all done. The hull's all waxed. We're just got the last minute things to do, like putting the anchor locker back together. Josh is just now securing the strut and the cutlass bearing, and the prop is the word. My God, I've lost everything now. We're so tired. It has been a crazy 3 days, but we got it done. The inside of the boat is an absolute disaster. It always happens when you're in the yard, but you know what? We're getting there. We're almost done, and we're about ready to launch. So here we go. Our anchor chain is all marked and ready to go. Time to put it back up in the Gypsy. Or is it? We've watched a couple of videos on the best way to where to put the zip ties and all that kind of stuff. And some people actually leave the tails on the zip ties, which to me seems like a silly idea. It's just gonna get caught in your Gypsy. So let me know in the comments what you think. Leave them on, take them off. I don't like it. It looks like something out of Hellraiser here, so I'm gonna cut it and just make it nice and clean and neat and tidy. To me, I would think they would get caught and you would end up breaking them off easier. But extra bonus points if someone can see where I screwed up.
So I'm just safety wiring all of these clevises because they worked their way out. And we actually lost our dinghy one day. We were sitting at the beach and all of a sudden it started sliding away. We went over and one of these actually worked its way out. So we check these periodically and do double stainless steel safety wire on them so that they can't back out. We have to change them regularly because they get beat up just from being moved around with the chain and stuff. But it's something to check all the time because they do come loose.
And the last thing we want is to lose our anchor somewhere. Oh, baby.
I know.
And then you cut yourself.
That happens.
God darn it. All right. Now isn't that a tiny bit better? Look how great that looks. So just so you know how we do our chain, we start off with 50 because we never anchor in anything where we're gonna need less than 50 feet of chain. Then we go 75, 100, 125, 150, 175. So this is kind of like the end of our go. Once you hit that point, we're kind of done, or it's time to find somewhere else to anchor. And this time I also added a no-go. So once that bad boy right there is on our Gypsy, that's it. There's no more chain to play with. So either we pick up the anchor and move somewhere else, or we gotta get some more chain. Anyways, it's done. It looks beautiful, and it's time to get it back up in the locker. Baby, you got the dunk and plunge going on over there.
What's that?
You got the dunk and plunge going on?
Yeah.
What do you do first?
You dunk and then you plunge.
And then?
And then you sweat. Our anchor locker's so nice and clean now. We're like, let's put the clean chain in there. It'll stay nice for one day.
But it feels good.
It does feel, it feels really good.
It's like putting dirty clothes inside your lawn, in your drawers. Words aren't working for me today.
We put in a shift this week, lady.
Almost done.
Almost done.
Here we go, baby. It's our turn.
Yeah, it is. Let's get out of here.
It's time to get back in the water. We're so excited. Oh, that's been a busy couple of days. We're taking reprieve under a catamaran.
That's what everyone
so
does
hot.
here. Everyone hangs out as our lunch under catamarans. Catamarans are great. Excuse me. So, the guys are getting ready to launch us right now. We just did at least a week's worth of work in 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
We are exhausted.
Yes.
But the boat looks fantastic.
Yeah, it turned out really, really, really good.
We're good for another year.
Yeah, definitely.
Looks amazing.
All the things that we were worried about, we checked and they were in great shape. Everything went through easily. So, crazy thing is, we finally are not waiting for anything. Pretty much our entire cruising time, we've always always been waiting for something, whether it was batteries or electrical or parts or whatever, and we couldn't just leave
Or
when we
being
wanted.
somewhere for a certain time, or
Exactly.
we have zero agenda right now. It's crazy.
Which is awesome.
Yeah.
It's kind of scary. We can just do what we want to do. So I don't know.
There. All pass. Here we go. Let's watch these guys.
Everything looks good. No leaks, and she's a pretty boat, my friends.
Oh, amazing. Oh, baby, you worked so hard. Good
We
job.
both worked so hard. That was amazing. Now it's time to go out and get an anchorage and just relax and maybe go for a swim. We're so hot and exhausted. It'll be nice to just jump in the water and relax for a little bit. There, I see it. I see it. Oh, it's a good coconut. Does it have hard meat?
Yeah, looks like it.
We finally got a ripe coconut. Nice. Good job, baby. It's perfect,
Oh
babe.
yeah, it tastes amazing.
Oh, they're just perfect ripeness. Now what are we going to do with it?
Pour rum in them.
Yeah, we are. We're making rum punch. Coconut rum drinks.
Get it in there.
Don't spill it.
Well, gotta sanitize the coconut water, right?
Yep.
Oh, that one's pretty full. Baby,
Hi.
let's get some rum in us,
Happy Sunday.
right? How
Great
awesome.
fun. I got a pineapple sliver.
It's
Or
not-
no, a coconut sliver.
Yeah,
I keep calling
coconut.
them pineapples.
This feels so good. We're just chatting about how we're having a wind right now. Like,
Yes.
oh, there's a little cloud cover. It's comfortable. But to be here and to have a day like this,
In our favorite place,
yeah,
at Sandy Island.
after a week of just working like dogs, like we
Yeah.
worked so hard this week. I'm so tired and sore. We went to go swim the anchor when we got here. We both put on our fins and stuff. We got halfway. They were both like, "Oh my God, I'm so tired. My legs are done."
Oh, they're exhausted. We need a couple days of just R&R to get back in shape, normal shape again, so that we can continue on with whatever boat projects come our way, because right now we're just exhausted.
Yeah.
And this is topping the cake. This is a win. Like, we found not one, not two, but 4 beautiful coconuts that had just fallen out of a tree today because they're perfectly ripe. And we're having the most amazing
Little rum coconut drinks.
Sunday afternoon.
It's
Like,
so
I
good.
love it. It's awesome.
It's a perfect temperature. It's nice. We're tucked in a good spot. The boat's comfortable. It's not rolling and rocking like last night.
Yeah.
Oh man, this just feels like a big old win. Cheers, baby.
Cheers, baby.
Bring it over.
Mwah.
That's hard to do with a hat, but we got practice. Look at all this.
We are harvesting some meat, my friends.
And it's rum soaked coconut.
So it's even better.
It's the best kind. And we got a dinner planned for this tonight. It's gonna be awesome. These were really, really good coconuts. And I got a secret tree that I'm gonna go back to tomorrow morning and look. I bet you anything, every day there's a few that fall off it. It's massive.
It's a bigger.
Yeah. And these are delicious. Oh my God, that's good coconut. What a day. This is awesome.
It's been the best day.
So good. Look at this. We probably got a couple pounds of coconut in here now.
Easy.
Yummy, yummy.
Baby, what did you do?
I made magic with your coconuts. You know what I mean. So I made coconut rice and a Thai curry chicken veggie thing to go on top, and it's so good. Oh my God. The curry they have here in Grenada is so wicked. So I did that with a bit of some crushed peanuts, the curry, and some coconut powder. Made the sauce, and then I did coconut rice to go with it. So
Wow. Eating like kings tonight.
there we
It
are.
looks fantastic.
Well, hunter-gatherers, babe. We're hunter-gatherers.
Sometimes we eat from the land.
I gotta gather this right into my belly. I'm starving.
Let's eat it.
Hey everybody, we just wanted to take 2 quick seconds and thank you all for tuning in and commenting every week on this crazy adventure we're on.
We have a huge announcement coming out in 2 weeks' time on our Patreon page. It will be a Patreon exclusive update, and it is a huge opportunity that we are so excited to share with you guys. So if you haven't checked it out yet, hop on over to our Patreon page, and don't forget, in 2 weeks the big announcement comes out. So we'll talk to you then. Bye for now.